Goodman error code F5 indicates a fault within the compressor drive module in Goodman HVAC systems, primarily air conditioners and heat pumps. The compressor drive module, or CDM, is a circuit board that controls the variable frequency drive for the compressor, regulating its motor speed for energy efficiency. When the module detects anomalies like overcurrent, undervoltage, or phase imbalances, it triggers the F5 error. Common symptoms include the unit shutting down, a blinking LED on the control board, and error logs on the thermostat. The CDM converts AC power to DC, then back to variable AC for the compressor motor, using components like capacitors and IGBT transistors. Failures often result from thermal stress due to frequent compressor cycling, voltage fluctuations, faulty wiring, or component degradation. As of early 2025, Goodman issued a voluntary recall for CDM modules in units manufactured between 2022 and 2024 due to overheating risks. Check Goodman's website to see if your unit is affected. Begin troubleshooting by power cycling the HVAC unit to see if the error clears. Turn off the unit at the breaker, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Next, inspect the wiring connected to the compressor drive module for any loose connections or damage. Check all connectors and cables. Visually examine the compressor drive module for signs of damage, such as swollen capacitors or burned resistors. Look for bulging components or scorch marks. Technicians use multimeters to test capacitor resistance, which should typically read 5 to 10 microfarads. This requires proper tools and knowledge. Due to electrical hazards and the need for EPA 608 certification for refrigerant handling, Goodman recommends professional servicing for these repairs. Many newer Goodman systems from 2024 and later support remote diagnostics via the Goodman Connect platform, allowing technicians to reset F5 errors remotely. Ensure your system has surge protection to prevent voltage fluctuations from damaging the compressor drive module. Install surge protectors if needed. Remember that ignoring F5 can lead to compressor burnout and potential fire hazards from electrical faults. Address the error promptly. Regular maintenance and annual tune-ups can prevent many F5 errors by catching issues early. Schedule professional inspections yearly